Hello everyone, my name is Sushil. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we will see periodic functions. That is the graph of the periodic functions. Okay. So I am going to take the first graph, that is y is equals to sine of x. Okay. Or we can say f of x is equals to sine of x. So we need to draw the graph of this function. We know the period of this function is 2 pi. Okay. So after each and every period of 2 pi, this function will again repeat itself. Okay. So the graph of this function will be like this. This is a basic function that you should know. Okay. So this will be like this. This will be of same type. All the domains will be of same type. Okay. So this is 0, this is pi, this is 2 pi. I hope it is clear. So the period of this function is like 2 pi. That means 0 to 2 pi. So after each and every interval of 2 pi, this function will repeat itself. Now we need to comment on the concavity and convexity of this function. Okay. So what we will do, we will simply differentiate this. Dy by dx will be cos of x, that will be positive for each and every value of x from 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Will be positive for x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. So this will be increasing from 0 to pi by 2. So we can see this is increasing. Again, if we will again differentiate this d2 by dx square, then we will get minus of sin x. So we can say this will be negative for x belongs to 0 to pi, we can say. So this is negative, that means we will get a maximum. So we are getting maximum from 0 to pi. Okay. So I hope it is clear. We have checked what is the convexity and concavity in this region from 0 to pi. Similarly, we can define the other domes of this function. Okay. So this is the graph of this function. So range of this function will be belongs to from minus infinite to plus infinite. So we can say that is R. And this is domain actually. I'm really sorry. And range will be like this, from minus 1 to 1. And 1 will be included and minus 1 will also be included. Okay. So this is minus 1, this is 1. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you. So this is the domain and this is the range of this function. Now we will take another graph, that is y equals to cos of x. Again the graph of this function, we can say this is odd function. This is odd function because this is reverse symmetric about the y-axis. Okay. So this we can say like this, sine of x will be minus sine of minus x. Okay. This will be the condition for this, because this is reverse function. So again, as far as this y equals to cos of x is concerned, we will simply draw the graph of this like this. This is 0, pi by 2, this is 2 pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, this is 4 pi by 2, which is 2 pi. Okay. I hope it is clear. So if you will see the graph of this function and observe this, then this is looking like even function because this is symmetric about the y-axis. So cos of x equals to cos of minus x. This is even function. Okay. Similarly, we can check the convexity and concavity of this function, and as far as this period is concerned, so here t, we can say this is 2 pi. This is fundamental time period. Okay. The fundamental time period for this function will be 2 pi again, and domain will be real, and range will again from -1 to 1. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. Now what we will see, we will draw the graph of another kind of function. That is y is equals to tan of x. Okay, so to check whether this function is increasing or decreasing, we will simply differentiate tan of x sec of x. Okay, I'm sorry, this is sec square x. Okay, this will be positive for every value of x. Okay, so this will be, we can say, increasing function. Okay, so the graph of this function will be like this. This is from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, like this. 0, this will go through origin pi by 2, this is minus pi by 2, and this is pi. So we can say time period, fundamental time period will be pi. Okay, from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, we can say pi, and domain of this function will be real minus again this pi by 2, and again 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. So we can say to every odd of pi by 2. Okay, where n belongs to integer. Domain will be like this. Domain in the domain pi by 2 can't be there, 3 pi by 2 can't be there. So in general we can say 2n plus 1 pi by 2 can't be there. Okay, range will be belongs to real, from minus infinity to plus infinity, we can say. So okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. Now we will simply draw the graphs of another kind of function, that is sec of x and cosec of x and cot of x. Okay, so I'm going to take the graph of the cosec of x. Okay, we will simply draw the graph. This is reverse of 1 by x, the reverse of sin x. Okay, so we will simply draw the graph of sin of x. Okay, to draw the graph of this function, this is 1, this is minus 1. Now what we will do, we will simply I'm going to draw the lines like this, so that it will be simple to draw the graph. Okay, now this will be like this. This will be like this. This is going to minus infinity, this is going to plus infinity. Don't confuse that this is going to some kind of, definite values. Okay, so these are the graphs of cosec of x. Okay, so these domes, these reverse domes, are the graphs of cosec x. So here this is y equals to 1 line, this is minus 1 line, this is origin, this is pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi. Okay, minus pi. Okay, so we can say here domain will be like belongs to real minus n pi, where n can be integer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay, and range will be belongs to real minus 1 to 1. Okay, minus 1 to 1. I hope it is clear. So what we will do, we will simply draw the graph of this cosec of x like this. Okay, these are the graphs, and as far as this graph is concerned, we can say that the range of this function will be like r minus -1 to 1. Okay, so here one is excluded because 1 will be the domain of this function, range of this function. Okay, 1 or -1. So this is -1. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. Now we'll go for the another graph, that is, here we can say time period of this function will be fundamental time period. Again it will be this portion, and this portion will repeat itself. Again it will be 2 pi. Okay, so we will go for the another function, that is sec x. To draw the graph of this function sec of x, we will simply draw the graph of this cos x. Okay, like the above function. This is like this is x, so we will simply reverse this, revert this. This is the graph of this sec x. Okay, so these parts are the graph of sec x. So this is sin x, cos x. This is origin, this is sin x, this is cosec of x. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. So as far as this domain fundamental time period is concerned, which fundamental time period will be again this portion and this portion, this portion and this portion, and again will repeat itself. So again we can say this will be 2 pi, and domain of this function will be like belongs to domain of this function will be belongs to 0 to pi by 2, belongs to real minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Here n can be, if we are putting n equals to 0, then what will happen? It will become pi. Okay, so we can say n can be integer. So all the things we have drawn from the graphs, and range will be belongs to real minus -1 to 1. The same thing will happen with this graph also. So this is sec of x. Now we will draw the graph of y is equals to cot of x. We will simply draw the graph of this y is equals to cot of x like this will be decreasing function. The graph of cot of x will be like this, 0 to pi by 2. This is 3 pi by 2. This is 2 pi. Okay, from this will be decreasing function. This will be like this. Okay, I hope it is clear. This is minus pi by 2. This is minus pi. Okay, so here from here we can say fundamental time period will be again pi, and the domain will be belongs to r minus n pi, where n can be integer. Okay, n can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay, so here this is y axis, this is x axis, and range, again range will be real, that is minus infinite to plus infinite. So with that I'm going to stop this tutorial, and after that we will see some examples based on the time period of the function. Okay, until then, thank you guys.